Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa, men have named you. You're so like the lady with the mystic smile. Is it only 'cause you're lonely they have blamed you for that Mona Lisa strangeness in your smile? Do you smile to tempt another Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Many dreams have been brought to your doorstep. They just lie there and they die there. Are you warm? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely work of art? Do you smile to choose a tender Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Many dreams have been brought to your doorstep. They just lie there and they die there. Are you warm? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely work of art? Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers again with a rather unusual lesson for you. Classic old song from Nat King Cole, of course, called Mona Lisa. Obviously, the original song is highly orchestrated. I mean, it's very difficult to actually hear what chords are going on. It's all strings and things, okay? So this is what I've worked out as a sort of a potential lesson for a single acoustic guitar to play this song, okay? So, the introduction. Okay, so we'll start off with the introduction. Two lots of double stops there, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm playing it in standard tuning. Forgot to mention standard tuning, obviously no capos, okay? I'm doing it in the key of C, okay? The original version is in D flat, I believe. So if you want to play it with Nat King Cole, although I don't think some of the chords may not match exactly the same as him, but you would need to put a capo on the first fret, okay, to play along with the same chords I'm using, okay? So the introduction, so double stops. So what I'm doing there, right, so I'm playing the 3rd fret of the top E string along with the 5th fret on the 2nd string, first one. Then we'll go down, take that shape down a whole fret. So now on the 2nd fret of the top E string and the 4th fret of the 2nd string, okay? Then we go up to the 5th fret on the top E string and the 6th fret on the 2nd. Okay, so whichever fingers are suitable for yourself, okay, so. And then we go back to the first one, so. Then we just repeat that. So we just 2 lots of that, yeah? Then what I tend to do is I keep this finger where it is on the 5th fret of the 2nd string and add my 2nd finger to the 5th fret of the 3rd string, and then I'm playing the 3rd string and the 2nd string together, double stop. Okay, so now you've got okay. Then we go down, a double stop again, 1st fret of the 2nd string with the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So, and you do 2 hits on that one, so, right? So far. Okay, and the final one on this double stops is 2nd on the 4th string with the open 3rd. Just those 2 strings, the 4th string and the 3rd string. 2nd on the 4th and open 3rd. That's the first half of the intro, okay? So here we go, just repeat that again slowly. second half is first bit is just single notes. It's open third to the second on the third, and then the open third again. So, okay, open third, second on the third, open third. Right, now the next bit is 3 strings. Opens third string, opens second string, first fret, top E string. Top 3 strings, okay? So, okay, and then we go up to the 3rd fret of the top E string. You can play that with the 3 strings, or you can play just that note. It's up to how you prefer to hear it. I just played it as a single note, but you could play the open third and open second with it. I prefer to play it just as a single note myself. So, okay, then play the top 3 strings open. Open top E string, open second string, open third. So now you've got, and it's like deliberate sort of slow sort of rake, okay? Okay, then we play the 3rd fret of the second string. Okay, so now we've got this from this second half. Okay, then we go back to that 1st fret of the top E string with the open second, open third. Back up to the top E string on its own, or with the other 2 strings open. Then all the strings open again, top 3 strings. Back to the second string on the 3rd fret, and then the C chord. 5 down to 1. Okay? So that second half is slowly. So let's try and do the whole intro slowly, okay?